Hi, this is KARL-JAMES Langford, and we're in a series of 3 buildings that constitute the hospital section of a Second World War POW camp, and this is still standing for a very short time. It's on the junction between the road to Pendoylan, the A4226 and the A48. The building house is not far away from here now, and this itself, look at the roof timber still. I love this structure. It's not going to be here long though. They say progress, but this is a marvel. I filmed this in the winter actually, so it's about 20 to 5. I don't know if the light seems to be perfect for filming this today. As I'm panning through, maybe I should stop talking and you can enjoy this film. Each of these windows, we're looking out at the sun. We shouldn't be, so let's look at a blocked one. So each of these beneath window would have been a bed. So I hope I've got this right, that this is a hospital unit for POW camp. All the rest would have, all the barracks and stuff would have been on hard stands around, very similar to the one on the floor. So we go through the window, the original door frame. So let's keep going, and there's almost central HQ utility building here, so just dip under a tree. So we go along and we're looking, the window hanging out. That's seen better days for the Second World War. Probably built in about 1938, 1939, as my great granddad Alfred Williams would say that they knew the war was coming. He died the year before the outbreak of the war. He's a First World War veteran sergeant. But anyway, back to this as we go along. I love this structure, but again we're going to lose it, so maybe, I don't know if this is the only video on YouTube of this, but beautiful as we come along. Great footage this, I think. Look at that there, the entire length. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bays. Because I think that doorway there has been added. Up to over 30 patients maybe. Original corrugated roof. Look at the ventilation hoods on the roof there. Great, aren't they? Let's have a little look at this one, but let's swing back. The utility building, similar to others that I've seen, corrugated roof has gone on that. Let's just have a little look in here. Blocked up windows as usual. This entire area is going to go as part of the rejuvenation of this area south of Pendoylan. Look at that in there. And we can look up there, but unfortunately it's all dark, so my camera's not going to get it. So just come along here and have a good little adventure. Recommend you come out and see this before it's gone. Before it's gone forever. Leave me a message, I'll give you a good reference. So it's linked utility building, got communication building, not really, but it's got a wall over there. It's the second of the 2 barracks, well, hospital section. I've been wanting to film this for ages, but now it's just about to go. I want to get the video to put online. So this is a fairly modern break-in here, but it gives us access nevertheless. Used as stalls for cattle. As we come in here, all the roof structure is still those little ventilation hoods that we've seen. It's well, oh, there's one still in situ. Absolutely great. This, look at that, still there. Just so you can get a sense of the Second World War from here. And I know people out there like to criticise my work and so on, but who else has filmed in here? So we look there. Oh, we're looking at the sun, which we shouldn't be. So I wonder if I can get a bit of a view there. Probably not. You see all these windows. If we look a bit of an angle, as we sweep across, where the ones that we're looking at with the light then, those ones have still got all the metal fenestrations still intact. They've all been smashed. People smashing the glass. Ooh, let's go out and smash the glass. So we go down here. I'm here with Michelle today, so I'm gonna go and find her again. But if we look there, oh, hopefully we can see the windows. See that? Let's have a look. There we go. Penestration's still there. Ooh, it's the sun. So we've missed that. More of the original door frame. Obviously, no, that's not a Pyrex light. That's been added. But there would be panelling underneath that. Probably insulation up there as well. Underneath the asbestos roof. Grey asbestos. I'm going to go back out here now. And oh, I'd love to look at these walls and see if we've got some names and stuff written on them, but we haven't. Now, if I'm right or wrong, I'd love to be corrected, but this was a hospital block for Italian prisoners of war. Most buildings like this have been torn down now. If we go back out here again, just sort of end on where we are. Pan across again. Love it. And if we go back down here as well, I'm loving making this because I've been wanting to do this for ages. Oh, there's one of the windows. Oh, I found one eventually. Much later, lean-to there. Just go in here, it's a bit of reuse. Not sure about this doorway. It's obviously modern. That's been sort of blocked up there. Lovely, isn't it? It's great. So as we come back out now, as we wander out, and I'm going to go over to, there you go, housing estate going on by there, meters away. I'm sorry to say this is going to go, but you know what I'm going to do, something I'm going to do, I'm going to wander around the front. So there we go. Say goodbye to the view now. I'm going to get back to Michelle. So yeah, this end bit, the roof has been added there. This is what I was trying to show you. Very eerie, very Second World War. Now that's you've got some communication coming in there, but it's obviously not for the building. Look at those hoods on the top there. Something very eerie about this. Very eerie. This hard stand here of obviously another building. And can I just say this? Anyone watching this, you can be critical, you can have a go at me on YouTube. But if you are watching this, come out and have a look. Make your own little video, your own interpretation. But you haven't got long, okay? I know some of you are going to say this is progress. Let's get rid of these buildings. But what have we got left to show our children and our grandchildren?